Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and installing the core tools. First, back up your current home layout so you can revert if needed. Then install a customizable launcher plus an iOS-style icon pack. These two change layout and icons immediately. Once done, switch to gesture navigation to mimic iPhone gestures and lock system widgets so they don't reset. Make sure to grant the launcher the necessary permissions. This prevents icon placement errors and lets you move to the next setup steps. You now adjust detailed settings to recreate iPhone aesthetics. Change the launcher grid to 4x6 or 4x5, and if possible, disable the app drawer so apps sit on the home screens like iOS. Apply the iOS icon pack and tweak icon scale and padding to match native proportions. Add a centered clock widget and configure the dock for 4 icons with rounded corners. Change folder behavior to preview apps in a grid. These steps refine spacing and visuals for an authentic feel. You finish by adding system-like elements and verifying stability. Install a Control Center app for quick toggles and position gestures to open it. Tweak transparency for realism. Choose a clean wallpaper with slight blur and lock the desktop so icons stay put. Disable any auto-arrange features. If icons or layout revert, check that the custom launcher is set as the default home app and exclude it from battery optimizer or auto clean rules. If problems persist, restore the backup, reapply settings, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.